Learning letter X with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids.
One exciting afternoon, Hopie was exploring in her playroom. Next to her big toy box, she found something extra special. It was a big, exciting letter, X. It shimmered and buzzed with excitement. "Excellent!" exclaimed Hopie. The letter X wiggled and zoomed in the air. "I am the excellent letter X," it explained in a zizzy-zazzy voice. "I have exciting powers. For example, I have X-ray vision." "X-ray vision?" asked Hopie. The letter X pointed a shiny arm at her teddy bear. "Examine this," it buzzed. Suddenly, Hopie could see right through her bear to the extra fluffy stuffing inside. "Extraordinary," she gasped. Next, the letter X zipped over to a closed toy box. "Let's use my X-ray power to see what's in the box," it exclaimed. Hopie looked, and through the box, she could see exactly 6 colorful crayons. "This is an excellent, exciting game." Hopie cheered. "What's next?" The letter X led her to another corner of the room. "I have another X surprise for you," it buzzed mysteriously. There, on a small table, was a beautiful xylophone. Its keys were all the colors of the rainbow. "A xylophone," exclaimed Hopie. "It starts with X, just like you." Hopie picked up the mallets and tapped the xylophone. The letter X danced and spun in the air to the music. Excellent xylophone playing. It buzzed happily, doing an extra fancy flip. They played and explored all afternoon. They used the X-ray vision to find a lost puzzle piece in a box and played exciting tunes on the xylophone. It was an extremely fun time. As the sun began to set, the letter X started to glow softly. "I must exit now," it explained. "But you can find me in many words, so I am never far." Hopie gave the sparkly letter an extra big hug. "X is for X-ray and xylophone," Hopie said, "and for exciting and excellent adventures. What an extraordinary letter X day." She couldn't wait to explain her exciting day to her family.
Learning letter X with Hopie. Fun alphabet adventure for kids. Subscribe. Hopie and Friends.